Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest update. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So, without further ado, let's start our Bitcoin analysis of today, my friend. So, as you see, guys, here, what we got, that candle here, what it's forming for us. And what did I told you yesterday about that green candle here? I told you, you can enter unless if it came next to it another green candle like that. It doesn't come any green candle, so there is no entry. Instead, it came that red candle, that one. So the price he fell down today till here down. As you see it here down. May I zoom it like that? So the price he fell down, my friend, till here down here. Then he go back till here because the opening of the candle is it here where we told you yesterday in the last video we are in the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average is acting like a resistance in 30 minutes and 1 hour. That's where we've been here. That's the opening, my friend, here. So look how many he fell down till the down of that candle now here. Now what that candle showing here? That candle here, it's showing here a rejection, as you see it. So now it's showing here a small rejection. Let's go to see what's going to happen at the end of the day. If that rejection is going to pass the 50% of the body, it's going to be very good, and that is going to indicate us we are going to go higher. So now there is nothing confirmed, my friend. And here, it's still that here, as I tell it to you, a small triangle like that. If you go into lower time frames, you're going to see it very clear. But here, as you see it, is a wedge or a triangle or name it whatever you want. The names, it doesn't matter, my friend. I think everything is too clear till now. And here, you still have that wedge. All those things, may I have them drawn in my chart, but I just show you as you see it. And here we said it's being breaked, but there is a false breakout till now because it hasn't came up to break for us the last high here. So there is nothing yet confirmed. We go to lower time frames. I'm going to show you all those things. And here in my chart, let me show you something here. As you see it, what did I told you about that one? If you been with us, I told you that one, that white one here we have, not a very long-term trend. It's being broken here. Then here, he couldn't break it again, as you see it. And now, he reacting like a resistance, so make a close eye to it. Now, our view, maybe from here, is going to go back to touch it again. Then we're going to see what the market going to do. Till now there is no buying, no nothing, my friend. When we're standing down in that long-term trend, there is no buying, no nothing. Remember my word. If you go to the weekly, also we still down in the 200 moving average. So there is no buying, no nothing. Don't let no one to lie at you. Me, I'm talking here about investors. If you are a day trader and those things, that's another story. Or investors, there is no buying, no nothing. It's still too early. Also, we are down in the 200 moving average. Here we are down in everything, my friend. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, my friend, here. What did I told you before? I told you here when it touched. And here is showing here like a consolidation level here, or a accumulation phase. As you see it stays sideways here. There is no moving yet, and every time after long sideways like that, as you see it, there is a big move coming. And I told you the wait in the news. So each wait in the news was going to tell us if we're going to drop down to the oversold, or we are going to go up to here again to test that level. So make close eye at those things. By the way, everything is very simple. To receive our latest updates, very simple, just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the first comment. Everything is too clear, my friend. By the way, if you want to learn how to use technical analysis, down below in the first comment there is a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course. The course is hosted in Udemy. The course, by the way, is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. Go to that course. It's going to teach you a lot of things. It's going to teach you how to use technical analysis the proper way. If you want to learn from professional people, that's the job of them, not fabs, not nothing. Everything is too clear. Let's continue. Let's see our other indicator. That one, as you see it, guys, what me I told you before here about that one. I told you here, it's enter here to the oversold area, but the color of it here, as you see it there, it doesn't become like here red. So make a close eye at those things. It doesn't become red. So there is no entry yet, my friend. There is no entry yet. Make a close eye at those things. Let's going back to the chart. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. And in the 4 hours, what did I told you before? Let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. What did I told you before here at that zone? I told you got a supply and demand zone here down, and you got one here in the top. But now what the market showing here in that zone, what it's showing you there? Look at it very close. It couldn't even go higher like the previous ones to go TL here. There's a big rejection. Or another thing here, now you can even draw a triangle like that. Like that, you can now draw in a triangle or a wedge or whatever you name it. Sorry, because my drawing was not right. You can draw it like that. It's not right because the tool it refused to work, but it's okay like that. So you can draw in here a wedge. So now you wait in where is going to be broken that wedge, up or down. If it's breaking up, you enter long. If it came down and break for you lower here, you enter short. Till now there is nothing confirmed yet. But me to enter long, it need to come to break for you that last high here. If it doesn't break it, there is no entry. Because here, as I tell it to you, you are here in a sideways or an accumulation level, so there is nothing, everything now just a trap. It just try to trap you for you to put your money, then they are going to take it from you. Now it's very good for day traders and scalpers. Those people, it's very, very good opportunity for them because they buying from here, they sell in here, they buy in here, they sell in here. They're making small profit, but those ones when it came, they're losing everything. So that's why me, if you are a beginner, I don't advise you to start it by scalping or day trading. If you are a beginner, forget about those things, start investing. When you started investing and you're growing up your capital, then divide a little bit from your capital and start day trade and scalping by it. So you like that, you're going to learn more and more and more. And another thing here, very, very important here. What you see here, something very important. What you see in that volume here doing. Who's spiking here? All the greens, as you see them. And here, and here, and here. You see them or no? The greens here, they spiking. That's mean why? There is a big power of buyers, they pushing up here. Yes, it came here, a rejection here. You see it, where is it exactly, that rejection? I'm explaining to you like that for the picture to be more clear to you. That rejection, it's happening, guys. So let me show it to you. That rejection there, where it's happening. Look at it with me very, very, very close here. There is no one explaining to you like that. It's only us we explaining those things to you like that. Look at here. It's changing that color. Which color? We make it red. Like that. Look at here. What you see in here, look with me here and here. That's 0.61 and 0.50, my friend. That's where it reject here. Now what the view now? The view now, I think that one is going to fall down again. Everything in front of you. We make a small analysis for you to know where it's going to go. I'm just talking here about technical analysis because there is coming news. Then we're going to update you about all those things. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That's our indicator, guys. What did we said about it before? If you remember and you're being someone who's subscriber with us. By the way, if you're being subscriber with us, smash the like button. I want that video today to reach at least to 50 likes, guys. Help us to growing up more that channel because there is rubbish channels. They give you rubbish stuff and they got 80k or 100k. Also, we give you very highly and good quality knowledge and we got only 1000 subscribers. Smashing the like, my friends. Smashing the like help us to growing up that channel. You done it? Let's continue it. As you see here and here, we said we got here a divergence, if you remember it. But what we said it's going to be confirmed when the market came and break for us that middle level here. Because as we said before, we said here down that the control of the bears and here the control of the bulls. Till now, us we still here down in the control of the bears, guys. Make a close eye those things, me, I'm telling you. So now what is it now? Now let's zoom it like that to explain to you something here. What did we said yesterday? We said here you got like a small wedge or triangle like that or channel like that. But today what it did, look at it today, what it done to us. Today he came and he give us here like a small triangle like that, guys, as you see it. Now what you need to do, because he touched it here, he go up here, then he went back here, as you see it. Now he went upward. Now one of two. You need to break either up or to go back down and to break for us, for the market to go down here to the oversold area again, my friend. Everything is simple and too easy. Also, we give you high quality and very in-depth analysis, not fabs, not nothing. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can join us in Telegram, so you like that you're going to be notified more quicker than here. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it here, it's still here at the oversold area. So there is nothing yet confirmed. As I tell it to you, it needs to give you here a price action. And here in the chart, as I show you, give you here a small trend like that. So you need to make a close eye at that when it's going to be broken, for the market to go upward to that supply and demand zone in the top. So make a close eye at those things. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, what did I told you yesterday? If you remember and you've been with us, what did I told you? I told you here, look at it, it's still there. Here, that 200 moving average there, it's acting like a resistance, as you see it. When it touch it here, it fall down here. Now he go back to it, look at that big pin bar he give you here. Here, as you see it, it's a big pin bar. What that pin bar indicating? That pin bar indicating the market is going to fall down. So now here, if you make a close eye at those ones, you connecting those dots together like that. What you see? It's connected by the tails like that. You see, and here is a downtrend line. Forget about the down here, because I know some people, they are going to tell me, oh, you can even draw in here a triangle or a wedge or whatever. Also here we are focusing only about the top. Not a trend line. For you to enter long, it needs to come up and to break for you here. And when it's going to break in for you, that man is going to break even the 200 moving average, my friend. How are you going to be sure the 200 moving average is being broken? It's very simple and easy. It needs a candle to come like that green to break it up, and the next candle to it to come green, and the high of the next candle, it needs to come higher than the previous candle, like that. How you see them is like that. Like how it's happening here. Sorry, let me show it to you. Like how it's happening here, as you see it here in that zone. What's happening here? In that candle, that one is a green. Where is the close of the other one? Is here. The two candles, green, and the close of the second one is higher than the previous one. That you know you are in an uptrend. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in the chart of us, there is nothing changing here. Also, we're still in a sideways level, as I tell it to you. But now here in 30 minutes, it's showing here a stronger rejection at the 200 moving average, as you see it here. So you need to make a close at that one. And here, as I show it to you, in 4 hours, you can even draw it like that, a triangle or a wedge. The names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade them, as you see it here in 30 minutes. So now what you need to do, to make a close eye at that level here down, if it's going to hold for you or no. And that level here, if it's going to hold for you or no. That level here is at a 200 moving average. You need to make a close eye at it. That level down here is the supply and demand zone, and that one you need to make a close eye at it. That level here, so let me show it to you. I try to explain to you like that for everyone to understand. That level here, as I tell it to you before, and I will repeat it even now, that one here is very, very stronger level. It's a very stronger level. I show it to you in the daily, and every time also we show it to you. You need to make a close eye at that level what the market is going to do, because as you see it here what it's giving us here, it's very clear now here in 30 minutes. I show it to you in the daily, but here in 30 minutes it looks very clear. Look at it. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, yesterday when the daily candle finished, we are here. What did I told you? I told you it's going to fall down. And that's what it did. It fell down till here. It's been here, the buying, guys. Now look at it. It's going upward. Is it at the 200 moving average now? I think it's going to fall down. But let's see here that indicator of us, what it's saying. And the buying, it was here. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple and easy. There is one video here, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency in the channel. Go to it. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. Download it and install it in your trading view, and don't change nothing in the setting of that indicator. I think everything is too clear till now. So I think that's it for today's video, my friend. See you when the daily candle finishes, and smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. Bye for now, guys.